Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can see, oh, it's naughty. I got a lot of hair to do. And I found the cutest style. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try to reiterate the style, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm hoping to turn out right, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be so disappointed. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do it while I'm doing it myself. So basically this style is we're just gonna mini twist the back, and then we're gonna flat twist the front. And it's super cute. I just hope it goes right on my hair. If it doesn't, I'll be so mad, y'all. Like, I'm so serious. Before we start this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all really like my videos, click the push notification bell. And yeah, if anybody wondering why my hair is short in the front, if you really pay close attention, I really don't know if anybody would notice, but just in case somebody did, I have bangs in the front of my hair. So that's why. And I actually got bangs because I actually got heat damage from flat ironing my hair. Well, silk press. I'm not doing it again. But let's get to the video. So the products that I'm using today are basically going to be the same products I've been using in my last few videos. So if you want to know how these products work, check one of my videos out. So I'm going to add this. It's Jackie's. It's like a gel, basically. And, you know, of course I got these. But for this style, like I said, I'm going to do the back. Just regular mini twist. And I don't think I'm going to show y'all me doing the mini twist in detail, because I already have a couple videos on how to do mini twists. So just check those out. But yeah, I'm going to do the back. And I'm going to show y'all my parting. But I'm going to definitely get back to y'all when it's time to do the front, because that's the main part of this hairstyle. That's the most important thing. So I'm going to start this back. And as you can see, I have a lot of hair. I got a lot of hair to do. So hopefully, you know, this style will be less than 3 hours. I hope. If not, then it is what it is, because I need to do my hair. But let's see, y'all. Look. So let's go ahead with the parting, and then I'm going to twist, and then I'll get back to y'all. So when it comes to the parting, I parted mine aligning with my ears, and I'm going to do that on both sides. These two sections are going to be the sections that you do the flat twist on.
These days, I don't care for competition, you're the one that's racing.
Set some time out if you're going to do this style. Don't think it's just going to take like an hour and a half and you're going to be done. I don't think so. And I'm back. So as you can see, it's done. So now we're gonna get into the front. Hopefully I can show y'all this the best way I can. I'm gonna go ahead and put the back in the ponytail so it won't be bothering me. What we're gonna do is we're gonna flat twist the whole front of the head. I'm gonna do two. One on this side, one on this side. I'm going to pull it to the front because I think that's going to be cute. So, let's go. Alright. So you got that one. And we got this one. These gonna be the first two we work with. Here the scrunchie go, y'all. Woo! Gonna put our product on here. And like I said, I did blow out my hair. I'm gonna take a piece. I'm gonna take the right piece and twist it under the left. Right piece, twist it under the left. Right piece, twist it under the left. Repeat. Okay. We'll do the same with this side. Alright, so we got the two in the front. Now we're about to work on doing these flat twists to the back. Okay? Like that. Alright, y'all, once again, we got our two pieces to work with. We'll get our product, put it on there. Take this piece, twist it under the left. Take the right piece, twist it under the left. Take the right piece, twist it under the left. The right piece, twist it under the left. Hopefully, it's showing you how I'm twisting it under the left. Left piece over right on this side. Left piece over right. Left piece over right. Left piece over right. I'm going to take my two pieces and I'm going to do left over right. Left over right. Left piece over right piece. Left piece over right piece.
It's fake kills.
One time. Standard. One time. Lego. Passing the prime.
On this side, I'm going to take my two pieces and I'm going to do right over left. Right over left. Right over left. And if you can tell, it alternates on whatever side of the head that you're on. it's right over left on this side, and it's left over right on the other side.
Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh-wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh-wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a good digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Now me a dancing.
Go digga, she a good.
It's just the same process as you go higher and higher up on your head. It's the same process.
One time me na never. Them a girls them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl them a come them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls them a come them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl them a slow. Bad man on the road. See these girls them go down. Ooh-wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See these girls them go down. Ooh-wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a good digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Now me a dancing.
Go digga, she a good digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's Butty baby. VQs. Mix it. Yeah, no. Leg up.
I like it. I mean, it's a cute protective style, y'all. I really like it. It's cute. You know, it's showing my length because I blow dried it out. Only thing about it is I don't like how since I blowed it out, my hair look like this because my ends are thinner. But it's cute. I mean, next time I might not blow it out, but I like how it's showing my length. So I don't know. I like it though. I give it a big thumbs up. So hopefully y'all try it out. Let me give y'all a spin so you can see the back. You know. Hopefully y'all try it out. Like, this is a really cute style. I really like it. It really came out good. If you like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I have way more on the way. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all soon.
Girl, you know you cute.